down the heading changing the password in Windows. Changing the password in Windows. Please write down. Changing the password in Windows. Okay, method 1. Method 1. Changing the password in Windows. Method 1. What was the method 1 we have used? We just right click in this PC, sorry, on this PC or computer and select manage. Then select users and computers. Then select users and computers. It was there, right? You can see when you go to right click and manage, you can see use local users and groups. Sorry, local users and groups. So that's what you can see. That is under system tools. Local users and groups under system tools. Then select local users and groups under system tools. So what you can do when you're writing this, while you writing, you can try, right? While you're writing, you can try. So that is how you have to, so, in the practical time, so you have an individual practical time. What you have to do in that time, if you miss anything, you can, right, get the help. So to get the help actually, so you have to make sure you are sharing your screen and showing the screen. Otherwise, we won't be able to see what you're doing. Then what will happen? Then we will not be able to help you. Right? When you're doing the practicals also, please make sure that, so anyway, you can take a screenshot or you can take a picture from WhatsApp, you can share. So use any of these methods and share your screen. Or if Zoom is not allowing, you can even take a WhatsApp and send it. Right? Basically, if you have a guest account or limited account, you will not be able to change the password of that account because you are not the administrator. To change the password, you need to be an administrator. You need to have an administrator account. Or what you can do, you can create a user account and then change the password. That can be done. Okay, so then select local users and groups under system tools. Then what you have to do, select users. You will see a few users there. Select a user better select your user account. Right click and so select the user from there. You can see here. No need to change using both methods. If one method is working, that's enough. You can select a user from here and you can right click and set password. Right click and set password. Right? Select a user, right click and set password and select set password. Select a user, right click and select set password. Proceed and then proceed and then no. Right. Proceed and then give a new password and confirm the same. Suhara, this one also not working for you? This method?
Sir, I will untry.
Right, just try it now. So this should work, right? So this is the basic method. This should work. Okay, so for those who are not writing, those who have finished writing, just see the steps that I'm showing. So this is simple and I think this should work. Only thing is sometimes your virus guard or something might block that if you have some additional utility. Otherwise, if you right click and go to manage, here you can see the local users and groups. There go to the users. Then select your user account. Don't select administrator's account. You will not be able to change the password of administrator because you don't have privileges. But you can select your user account and you can just right click and set password. Then it's asking set password for Dasun. You not need to continue. And you can proceed for that. Then as a new password, you just type 123 and confirm password 123. Same. You can give any password, but please give a password which you can remember. And also use a strong password as suggested in the book. But that strong password you have to remember, right? Otherwise, you won't be able to log into your machine. Okay, then click OK. That's all. And here you will get a message, your password has set. Your password has set. So that's all. It's very simple. That is the first method. You get this message. And method 2, press Windows button, search for CMD, right click on CMD and run as administrator. Type net space user and press enter. Then press names. Then type net user username of the account without brackets and asterisk. Press enter. Enter new password and type new password and press enter. Confirm, type the same and press enter. Okay, this is how you change the password using second method. Third method, there's another method too. That is called third method, we can call it. So in this method, what you can do is you can go to your control panel. You can just go to the control panel. You can Windows button and then go to the control panel. There you can see the users here. You can see the users. There you can say change your Windows password. And you can change the password from there. So here you can see my account is administrator account. That's why I can do this. Sometimes when you go there, you can see your account is a limited account. If you have a limited account, you won't be able to do this. That is the only reason you fail here. So if you have limited account, you cannot change the password. But if you have administrator account, you can change the password. But still, even a limited account, you can change your own password, but not others. Right? That is the third method. So in the control panel, you can select the users. In the control panel, you can select the users, user accounts. In the user account, you can see change your password. Okay, that is the third way. Go to control panel. So how to do this? Search and go or Windows plus R, then type control and press enter. So that is the second method. You can search for control panel or Windows plus R and type control and press enter. That is the second method. Go to user account. Change the password. That is the third way. So you can, if you can do this using one method, that's enough. Right? But make sure to give a very simple password at the initial stage until you practice this. But after you know these steps, then you can give a complex password, right? After you learn the steps, you can give a that strong password mentioned in your book. Okay, still anyone need any help? Do anyone need help? I have 5 more minutes, so I can help. I have 5 more minutes, so I can help. Anyone?
So I didn't get the third method.
Third method, it's so what you can do is you can, if you can share the screen, I can teach you the third one. Can you share the screen?
Okay, sir.
Others finished writing or still writing? Others, have you finished writing? You have to talk.
Still writing.
Still writing, okay. Just wait, right? Wait till they finish writing, then you can share the screen. Wait till they finish
Okay,
writing.
sir.
Okay. Now you can
Yes,
see his working space. So can you go to the control panel? So how to go to the control panel? You can go, so close this, right? Please close this. Now you don't need this. So how to go to the control panel? So again, you have shared the problem is you have shared the window only. Just share the desktop. Please use the option to share the desktop. When you share, you can see the first one is desktop. So Netum, please use that. Otherwise, I will not be able to see your screen, right? Okay, now you are sharing the screen, right? Now it's good. Okay, please go to the control panel, Netum. Control panel. Okay, there you have to type the control. Control killer type karan. Please type control. Control. Okay, you can see this is control panel now. It came. Please go there. Okay. So it will take some time to load. Right now you can see the control panel. From there, you have to see the user accounts here. User accounts. It's in the bottom. Yes, that one. Select user accounts. Then you can see Nethun. Here, see his account is administrator account. So he will be able to change the password. Right? So you can see here now. Make changes to my account PC settings. You can just click. See, wait. I'm not sure whether you have given a password. Have you given a password or is it with no password?
No, sir. I haven't given a password still.
Right, then wait. Sometimes it might not show you the step. Yeah. Just wait, right? Just click manage another account. Since you have not activated that, you won't get that. Manage another account. Just go to manage another account. Right, you have, so now you have to add a new user. Right, please add a new user now. Again, I think you will get that activation problem sometime. So not sure, right? Just wait. So that's the main issue mostly. If you have, right, add a family member, add a someone else. Okay, just go add a family, add other user, someone else to this PC. Yeah, that. It's asking the Microsoft account. So because Windows newer version, it's asking Microsoft account to do this. Just close it because you have not activated. Just close it. Close it. Just close it over there. So you can use the other one to add the users. This PC will right click. Just keep this window as it is. So no, not this one. You can't add users from here. You can add, but you have more steps to do. This PC will kalim method one. Refer to the method one. Can you remember? Don't change that. Just go to this one. Explore Windows key and E key. Windows key and E key to go to Explorer. Windows key, E key together. Windows key, E key together. Now right click on this PC. This PC. Right. This right click and manage. Manage. Click OK to manage. Right there, you go to the local users and groups. Right, that one, users. Right click. Right click. In the empty space, just right click. New user. New user. Just type ABC. ABC. Some user ABC. Right. Then password as 123 and confirm the password as 123. Confirm the password as 123. Just untick user must change the password. Next login. Just untick it. Right, okay. Then create. Okay, you can see the new user is created now. Hurry, close it. Just close it. Now you can see ABC user on the top. Now just go to the control panel. Now close this and go to the control panel. No need to go again. I think you have the window that is minimized. Minimize වෙලා තියෙන්නේ මේ කොනේම පුතේ. කොනේම එකට කලින් right this one. Just go back. Make a back and manage account again back when. Just go back. And you can select manage another account. Manage another account. Right, you can see this one, okay, local user. Right, click on that. Right, now we can see change the password here. Change the password. Right, now you can change the password and the password hint can be given. I think others, can you understand the issue now? So if your Windows is not activated, a problem. If you have a Microsoft account login, email login, the problem, that's not local account. So when
Sir, now is the password set when I open it? No.
yeah, its password is set to 123 already, but if you want, you can change password from here also.
When I on the computer, will the password come?
No, because we have not changed password for your account. We
Okay,
have
sir.
changed password for this ABC account only. You have another account, basically.
Okay,
So one
sir.
computer, in a single computer, you can maintain multiple accounts.
Okay, sir.
Right now you have another account other than Nethun, that is ABC. Right, in a computer, so I think this one you should know, right? In a computer, it is possible to maintain multiple accounts, right? In a single
Sir,
computer,
can I?
right? Please write down as a special point. In a single computer, it is possible to maintain multiple accounts. So in addition to change password one, today I have given you additional knowledge of creating new account also. So that is you can easily do this using the computer management. Okay, so I know this is like sometimes you have to try this. So I know just within 1 hour lesson, you won't be able to understand this easily, right? Why? Because you have to try this. You have to do this by yourself. Then only you will understand. That is a kind of lesson. මේ වගේ lesson එකක් පුතේ ඕගොල්ලොම කරන්න ඕන. ඕගොල්ලොම කරලා තේරුම් ගත්තොත් තමයි ඔයගලන්ට ඔක ඔලුවට යන්නේ. ඒ හින්දා practical එකේදී මොකද කරන්න ඕන? I'll tell Miss Lakmali also in the practical what you can do. So please do this. Right? මේක කරන්න. මේක කරලා එතකොටත් ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් අහගන්න. So that is individual session. You have entire session for you. Then you can do this practical and understand this very well. Okay. Right. With that, I'm going to stop for today. But so if you have any difficulty, please let me know. Even after that, I can remote connect your computer and show this. But I'm having a class now. After 8:30, if anyone need help, just send me a WhatsApp message. Then I can remote log and help you. Right. Still, other lesson එක මොනවා හරි තේරෙන්නේ නැති දෙයක් තිබ්බනම් remote log වෙලා අහන්න. හැබැයි 8:00 පස්සේ. After 8:30, you can just send me a message. Okay, then see you all in next week. Good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Good
Thank
night.
you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Come.